A terrarium is a low-maintenance, creative way to bring your love of gardening indoors. Here's what you'll need to build a terrarium. Be sure to choose a clear glass container that has an opening large enough for your hand to fit easily inside. When selecting plants, consider these varieties that do well in a terrarium. For visual interest, choose plants with varying heights, colors, and textures. To create the base layer of the terrarium first, add 1 inch of pebbles. Then, to curb any musty odors, add a thin layer of activated charcoal chips. Top this section off with bits of moss. A skewer with a cork on the end is the perfect DIY tool for arranging and tamping inside a terrarium. Next, funnel in a couple of inches of potting soil on top of your base layer. Using a wooden spoon handle, dig holes to accommodate your plants. Then gently loosen roots and place plants in the soil. After tamping down the soil, top off with more moss or pebbles. Now's also a good time to dust excess soil off the glass interior. Finally, lightly water plants with a spray mister. Adding tiny decor is a good way to boost the fun factor, especially if you're building a terrarium with kids. Your terrarium should thrive if you keep it watered and avoid harsh, direct sunlight. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.